Hey everybody, Cassie here. Welcome back for another video here on my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be sharing some of the release from Simon Hurley Create that just came out today. I'm super excited about these products, especially the Goose in particular. It just has me smiling so much, and I really love the cards that I ended up making with it. So we'll talk about each product real quick, and then I'm going to show you some cards that I made using them. So this is called Silly Goose. It's so cute. Not only do you have 6 different geese in there, or ducks, or however you want to call it. Yeah, you've got tons of sentiments, and there are dies that you can get separately that you'll be able to die cut out all of the images minus the feet. So you've got Duck, Duck, Goose, Flappy Birthday, Thank You, Quack, Happy Birthday, You Silly Goose, Thanks for your generosity, Happy Bird Day, Cheers to Another Year, Shake, 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 Cue the Confetti, Congrats, and You Lucky Duck. And then you also have this one image here that you can put in the balloon, and I just think he's so cute. And I did pair it up with this Fading Lines. It's 6 pieces, so it's another one of those pull-aparts. Y'all know I love the pull-apart 6x6 red rubber stamps. They're just great. And so let me show you real quick the 2 cards that I made. I do want to point out that I actually brought in my color cube. I decided to pull in this image and these colors to come up with my cards, just simply because I'm in love with that color cube. So I did that, and so we've got these 2 cards. We've got our Flappy Birthday and Happy Birthday. They're basically the same, and I can tell that my cat stepped on an ink pad and stepped on the page. That's great. Anyway, his little footprint is up there. And then I did go ahead and, you know, do something on the inside. Cue the Confetti and Cheers to Another Year. And I just love the little duck webbed feet print. I just think they're so cute. And then I stamped out the image. I kind of blotted it out, and then I used another color to add the color to the edge. And so the colors that I used from the Simon Hurley Create ink line for this one are Midnight Snack, Fake Plant, that's the green, Clear Skies, which is the lighter blue, and then our Slippery When Wet is our yellow color. It's just great. So those are the 2 that I made using this one and using this color cube pattern. All right, and then the next one we have is our birthday party stamp set. There's a lot of 2-step stamping here. Obviously, you wouldn't have to do 2-step stamping. You could just color these if you really wanted to. But you've got your outline and then your solid image for each of these. And I think it's fun that the cake has just for like the icing and the candle. And then the presents, those are all separate, so you can make those different colors. Our sentiments include Let's Party, Happy Birthday, Celebrate, You're Invited, Make a Wish, You're a Priceless Gift, and Sending You Heartfelt Wishes for a Day Filled with Love, Laughter, and all the things you bring that bring you joy. Wishing you a birthday as incredible as you are, and may the year ahead be filled with blessings. And what's great about this stamp set is that you have dies for all of the images along with the bigger sentiments. So you can get those separate as well. And then I paired it up with Confetti, which is a 4-piece pull-apart red rubber stamp. So you can just use parts of it. Now, when I did make my cards for this one, I did bring in another color cube card. I loved that one. I thought that one was really pretty. And I did stamp onto some cardstock. It's hard to see it. It's very subtle back there. And so I did bring in a little weeping willow on the edges. But I made 2 cards, and I did stamp the confetti sideways, or like, you know, going diagonally this way. But you really can't see it. Probably definitely can't see it in the camera, and it's a little hard to see in person. But here's how they look. I also brought in some, oh my gosh, I brought in some perfect pearls. Some perfect pearls to go with that, with the colors that I had. And so then we also did the inside for each of those, which was fun. So I really like how those turned out. And yeah, the colors that I used for this, you know, the colors that match our color cube are Love Struck, Psych, No Diving, Midnight Snack, Cookie Dough, and Weeping Willow. So those are the colors that I brought in. I'm going to have to move this because those little Perfect Pearls are still wet and Miles will not be ignored. So yeah, that's what we've got. I'm going to set those up here. Okay, dude, I need you to move, okay? All right, so there are the new stamps that I have to share, and here are some of the cards that I made using those. I would love to know what you think of this release, or if you liked the cards. That'd be fun to hear too. So anyway, I'll have everything linked down below. If you like this video, hit that like button, and I'll see you very soon in another video. Bye, everybody.